A very pleasant morning to all of you all, my dear children. Am I audible to you all, ma? Is my audio clear? Just confirm that alone. Okay, thank you, ma. Okay, fine. So we were looking into the degrees of comparison. So rule number 2. So earlier yesterday, I have explained you all about rule number 2. Let me share my screen. Quickly, we'll have a glimpse at what we have seen yesterday, and we will continue with the other things today. Fine. Just check whether the screen sharing is visible to all dear children. Is it clearly visible to all, ma? Okay, fine. Okay. So I have told you all, rule number 2 is nothing but it is all about comparing one person to the other person, right? So the other person might be a common person, or it might be only a common person. We can't say that we are going to have the definite uh, noun there. Okay. So when it is in positive degree, when the sentence starts with no other, you can close your eyes and write it as positive degree, and you can change it into the other one which is expected to be changed. Okay. And your clue word for positive degree is so as. We are not going to use as here in rule number 2. We are supposed to use so as. Okay. From positive to comparative or superlative degree, when you change it, the object part, say for example, in this sentence, Ramya is the object. So Ramya will be coming in the front. Okay. When it is written in comparative degree, it will come like this. Ramya is more studious than any other girl, because we can't use ER there. Instead of ER, we are using more plus than after than. So it is rule number 2's comparative degree. We have to use any other there. Okay. Any other girl. When it comes in superlative, we are going to write it as Ramya is the most studious girl. Okay. Once again, EST is not going to come there. Okay. Any doubts here, dear children, until this? If you don't have any doubts, we may move to practice sentences. Shall we? Okay. Here comes question number 1 for you. Let me all. Okay, dear children. So question number 1 is on your screen, right? So what degree it is? How to identify the degree? In what degree it has been given, ma? Very good. You all have identified it as positive degree. Good. Very good. I didn't ask the answer, Siona. Just wait for me. Just this is for your understanding. Okay. In what degree it is? Positive degree. How did you all identify it as in positive degree? What are the keywords which are used for positive degree, ma? So as. So as. Not no Siona, no other, no Netra. It's not no other. So as. So as is used to identify that it is in positive degree. When I ask for rule number, what is the rule number here which is applied? What is the rule number applied here? Rule number 2. Srinija, recorrect yourself. It is rule number 2, right? How did you identify it as rule number 2? Rule number 2 in positive degree, it begins with no other, right? So this is how we will identify it. Very good, my dear children. Now I want you all to change it into comparative degree alone. So the sentence, no other boy is so smart as Rahul, should be changed into comparative degree. Quickly give me the answers, dear children. Try and transform it into comparative degree. Rahul is smarter than any other boy. Very good, Siona. You have nailed it. Very good, Rahini. Very good, Kartika. Very good. Niranjana Devi. Very good. Srinija. Very good. Very good, ma. Very good. Very good. What about the others? Rini. Very good. No other. Not no other. It has to be any other. I told you, no positive degree alone will come with no other. When it comes to comparative degree, the keyword is any other, right? Rini Alini and Resni, I'll have to change your answer. Rahul is smarter than any other boy. So that's how it will come. Is that clear, my dear children? Is the screen visible to all? If that is the case, I think Aswin, your network is a little bit problem. You can re-log in again. Okay, dear children, Rahul is smarter than any other boy. Varuna, check your answer, ma. Rahul is smarter than any other boy. So after than, you have to use any other because it supports rule number 2. If you don't use that any other, your answer is wrong, my dear children. So that's why I have kept the screen there itself. The rules are given there in the screen, on my screen. So you can check over it and you can convert it, right? Arunachalam, my screen is not visible to you. Yes, obviously, everything must be written in classwork, my exercises. That's what I'm giving you all, right? So Rahul is smarter than any other boy. Have you all written it, ma? Have you all written the answer in comparative degree? Because we can't take a lot of time. It's already time. Exactly in 2 classes, I plan to complete this. It has run over up to 3 classes. So this is the 4th class. So we have to quickly go. Okay. Now change it into superlative degree. Superlative degree. We are going to change that positive degree into superlative degree. Very good, Kartika. Very good, Rahini. Very good, Srinija. Very good. Keep it up. You're doing it really well. Very good, Siona. Good. Keep it up, ma. Yadu, please check your screen, ma. It is the internet connection of you. For all the others, they could see my screen. Yes, very good, Resni. Netra, very good. Is my screen visible to all of you all, my dear children? Very good, Niranjana Devi. Raja Rishika, very good. The ones who can't see my screen, go out and connect once again. It is going to be your side. Maria Dominic Vivian also can't see my screen. Everything is clear, says Rahini. So it's on your part, my dear children. So your network is a little bit problem. Rida Nashmi also. Just check your network and just re-log in, dear children. All the others could see, I guess. See, everything is clear, says Raja Rishika again. Ram Harish also says it's clear. Okay, the correct answer in superlative degree is what? It is Rahul is the smartest boy. Okay. Aditya Darshan, you have made a mess of that sentence, ma. You can never write it like this. Rahul as smarter than as other boy. Does it give any meaning? Does it have any sense, ma? Definitely, it doesn't have any meaning at all. So your conversion is literally wrong. So let me repeat the answers, both the answers. When it comes in comparative degree, it is Rahul is smarter than any other boy. I repeat, Rahul is smarter than any other boy. When it comes in superlative degree, my dear children, Rahul is the smartest boy. Rahul is the smartest boy. Is there any doubt, my dear children? First sentence is done. Let's move on to the second one. Question number 2 for y'all. It comes in the chat call. Rahul is the smartest boy. Okay, here comes your question number 2. Now, dear children, don't post anything. Let me just check with it. Okay, now tell me, in what degree is this sentence? In what degree is this sentence? Ma? Sweta is more curious than any other girl in the class. Very good. You all have said it is in comparative degree. How did you all identify that it is in comparative degree, my dear children? How did you all identify it? Yes, more and than is there. No, not any other Ram Harish. That is rule number 2. But it more and than is there in the sentence, so it is comparative degree. Okay, in what rule it is? Rule number 1 or rule number 2? Rule number 1 or rule number 2? Rule number 2. Very good. It is in rule number 2. So Ramari says it's rule number 1. I already told you very clearly. Rule number 1 means you will have two names or two things or the name of the two objects, right? So here we have only one particular name. The other side we have a common thing, right? So that's how we are going to change it. Okay. Now for your better understanding, I want you all to change it into superlative degree. Got it? You're going to change the sentence. Sweta is more curious than any other girl in the class into superlative degree. Please do change it. Change it, ma. Change and give the answer in the chat column. Srinija, you have left out in the class. Finally, you have to add that in the class. Okay. Very good. Niranjana Devi, very good. Srinija, very good. Siona, very good. All three have missed out in the class. Okay. Rida Nashmi has given me the right answer. Very good. Jocelyn Martina. Others do try it. It's okay if it is wrong. Don't worry, my dear children. Very good, Netra. You have given the right answer. See, only few are giving the answer. They are not worried about whether it is right or wrong. That's what I expect from you all, my dear children. Those who are not providing the answers will be asked to unmute yourself and you will tell me the answer when I ask you all immediately, right? Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Okay, let me tell the right answer. Please take a note of it below the sentence. Sweta is the most. So Navin Kumar has missed out that most. Most is very important. If most is not there, it is not superlative degree, right? Sweta is the most curious girl in the class is the right answer. Got it? Sweta is the most. Resni has missed the. If you miss the also, it is wrong. Okay. Sweta is the most curious girl in the class is the correct answer. Have you all taken a note of it, ma? Have you all written it in your classwork notebook? Yadu, you can re-log in, ma. It's not an issue. Sweta is the most curious girl in the class is the correct answer. I hope you all would have written it. Okay, right. Now what are we supposed to do? We are going to change the sentence into positive degree. Change it into positive degree, my dear children, and post it in the chat column. Quickly do it. Rahini, very good. Siona, very good. Sri Kartika, very good. Yes, obviously, Ashwin Kumar, you can continue from there itself. Netra, very good. Yadu, then you have to sit in a place where you get sound internet connection. There's no other way. You can't help it out, right? Niranjana Devi, it's not as curious, ma. When you start a sentence with no other, you have to change it as so curious, right? So curious as. See, Resni has missed out that so. No other girl is so curious as Sweta should be the answer. No, Ashwin Kumar, you can't use most in positive degree, right? Can we use most in positive degree? You can't use ma. So no other girl is so curious as Sweta. That's how it has to be, Ashwin Kumar. You have used most, you have used than. Most refers to superlative degree. and than refers to comparative degree. We can't have a Okay, now am I audible, dear children? Am I audible right now, ma? Okay. Let me tell you all the answer for the simple sentence. I'm sorry, positive degree. Let me repeat it. Just write it and check whether it is right. Okay. No other girl is as curious as, sorry, so curious as, no other girl is so curious as Sweta in the class. No other girl is so curious as Sweta in the class. Is correct. Got it? Have you all written it? Let's move on to the last and final question from here, because already yesterday we have completed one. So today 3, the final one. So here comes your question, dear. Gold is the most precious metal. Gold is the most precious metal. Okay, dear children, tell me in what degree the sentence is in. Tell me in what degree the sentence is in, ma? Superlative degree. Very good, my dear children. How did you all identify that the sentence is in superlative degree, ma? How did you all identify? What is the keyword? Yes, the plus most. The and most. That's why it is in superlative degree. Very good, my dear children. You all have understood it really well. And what is the rule number? How did you all identify the rule number? What is the rule number here? Is it 1 or 2? Yes, obviously correct, my dear children. It's rule number 2. Rule number 3, Naveen Kumar says. I haven't taught you all rule number 3, no? Okay, dear children. Now tell me, how did you all identify that the sentence is in rule number 2? I told you all, no, the plus est, if it comes means definitely it is rule number 2. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now change the sentence first into comparative degree. You're going to change the sentence into comparative degree. Just change it and put the answer quickly, ma. Change the answer. Rahini has missed out any other. Rule number 2, if you want to identify that it is in comparative degree, any other is very important. If you don't write it, it is wrong. Okay. Very good, Niranjana Devi. You have given the right answer. Srinija, very good. Resni, very good. Kartika, very good. Siona, very good. Rida Nashmia, very good. Siona, only once your type is more than enough, my dear children. Aswin, very good, ma. Keep it up. Naveen Kumar. Naveen Kumar, you have used most precious. Can we use most precious there? Most is the word which is used for superlative degree. Yes or no? So you have to use more. That is the only mistake you have committed. Very good, Rini Arini. Very good, Edusen. But Edusen, there is a problem. You can't use the in comparative degree, right? The is the word which is used only in superlative degree. So gold is more precious than any other metal is the right answer. Very good, Ashwin. Very good, Yalini. Vignesh, keep it up. Once again, you have written that the there. The will not come there. Gold is more precious. That's how it comes. Hari Pravin, very good. Ram Harish. Gold is more curious than any other metal. Did I use the word precious? I have used the word precious, not curious. You have to be very careful with the adjective. The adjective is wrong also, the sentence is wrong. Raja Rishika, you have made a mistake. Gold is more precious than metal. You have missed out any other. Gold is more precious than any other metal is the right answer. Is that clear? Yuva Bharati, very good. Jaya Akshaya, very good. Aditya Darshan, very good. Gayatri, very good. Maria Dominic Bivin, very good. Vignesh, very good. Shagir Ahmed, it's wrong, Shagir. You have used most precious. Most precious. When you use most, it is superlative degree. Got it? And you did not even change it. That is very important. Gold will come this side. So gold is more precious than any other metal. That's how it will come. Change your answer. Very good, Maria Dominic Weapon. Only once you will send it, ma. I'm tired of reading it thrice or 4 times, ma. Maria Dominic Weapon, you have sent it thrice. Ram Harish, very good. Asir Arfan, very good. Sakti Sri, very good. Shifa Mariam, very good. Rida Nashmia, very good. Very good. All. So the correct answer is gold is more precious than any other metal. So I hope you all would have written it. Now change it into positive degree, my dear children. Change it into positive degree. Change it into positive degree. Very good, very good, very good, Sri Kartika. Very good, Naveen Kumar. You have got it right. Very good, Srinija. Iranchana Devi, very good. Rahini, very good. So the toughest of all is going to be positive degree, but you all are doing it very simple, my dear children. I'm really proud of you. You all have understood it really well. Very good, Netra, Siona. Netra, you have used that other. That other will not come there, ma. No other metal is so precious as gold only. See, these sort of mistakes has to be rectified, ma. Very good, Siona. Yalini, very good. Very good, Jocelyn Martina. Jocelyn, you have used as. When you start with no other, you have to use so as, ma. Muhilan, you have used the plural form, metals. I told you rule number 2 is only for singular form. You have to use only metal there. Alvin Joy Solomon, it is wrong, ma. No other metal is as, oh, you have used it in comparative degree. If it is comparative degree, na, your answer is right. We are seeing positive degree, ma. R. Vignesh, so precious. You have written it as precious. So change it as so precious. Aswin, it's wrong, ma. No other. You have started it with no other metal. Everything is correct. But you have used more precious than. More precious than will come only in comparative degree. Instead of it, you have to use so precious as. That is the only mistake you have done, ma. Resni, very good. Rini, very good, ma. Maria Dominic. Maria Dominic Vivian has also made the same mistake. No other metal is so precious than gold. So that's how it has to come. More precious means once again it is in comparative degree. I have asked you to change it into positive degree, right? Rida Nashmia, you're right. Aswin, no other metal is more precious. Once again, you have committed the same mistake, ma. No other metal is so precious as gold. So that's how it has to come. Don't confuse yourself. The rule is there on your screen. Please look at it. R. Vignesh, okay. Hari Pravin, okay. Gayatri. Gayatri, there is no personal messages to be sent here, ma. Next time, if you do it, I'll put you in the waiting room, definitely. Ashwin Kumar, no other metal is so precious as gold. It is not metal once again. You have missed out the word gold, so you will lose the 2 marks now. No other metal is so precious than metal. See, Maria Dominic Vivian, once again, that is wrong. No other metal is so precious as gold. So that's how it has to come. Once again, you have used than. I have told you 1,000 times. Than is used only with comparative degree. Ma? Aditya Darshan is fine. Rida Nashmi is fine. Okay, dear children, let me repeat the answer in positive degree. No other metal is so precious as gold is the right answer. I hope you all would have written it. Okay. Now tell me, is that clear? Are you able to understand rule number 2? Is it easy? Little bit confusing, but you all are doing it really well, my dear children. Any doubts, Demma? Okay. Sri Kartika doesn't have any doubts. Siona, Aswin, Alvin, Joy doesn't have any doubt. Very good. Very good. Edusan doesn't have any doubt. So let's quickly move on to rule number 3. I will tell you all how to convert it. We just have 3 minutes. So at least I'll teach you all how to convert it into comparative degree. Then we will move on to the other part. Okay. Let me share my screen once again. Here comes rule number 3 for you. Dear children, quickly write it down. Rule number 3 is there in your screen. So write this alone and say yes, sir. Don't worry. Don't be in a hurry. If at all the time is over, don't worry, my dear children. The next class also I'm going to screen this. Okay? Don't worry about it. Try writing and completing. Okay? We have 4 minutes to do it. Don't worry. So rule number 3 is on your screen. You can start writing it in your classwork. Please do write it very neatly. Don't scribble it up, right? I'm not going to give any explanation today, so don't be in a hurry. We are going to look into it in the next class only. Don't worry, don't worry. Please do write it. Put the table or column and all. So today your homework, I have shared a listening activity, ma'am. So all that you have to do is, there is a Google form which is shared there. You will go and click that link which is given in that Google form. There will be an audio which will play. Listen to the audio twice and then answer the questions which are given below. The questions which are given is going to be as MCQ only, multiple choice question. So this activity will be for 10 marks. So this will be for your internal assessment. I repeat, there is a listening activity which you all are going to do it. So ma'am will quickly share it to you all very soon. Okay, don't worry about it. Just write this. I'll explain rule number 3 for you. Rahini, I'll tell you what is that. That is one of the plus dash plus est. It is not that or that. One of the plus dash plus est. That plus is written like T. My handwriting is little bit horrible. Please apologize for it. Please accept my apologies. Quickly write it. We have 2 more minutes. Don't worry. Don't be in a hurry also. So Siona has completed. Very good. If you have completed, just write it as yes, sir. That is more than enough. Madini has completed. Raja Rishika, very good. You need not be in a hurry. You have 1 more minute to complete it. Don't worry at all. I'm happy that plenty of y'all have written it. Still, there is no comment from few of y'all. Ovia, I think she is stuck with the network problem. Hari Praveen, today no news from him. Jaya Akshaya, Justice, there is not at all nothing from there. Tarika, I haven't seen any reply from Tarika, not even once. Mohammad Shamir. Shamir has replied. Kavya, today you didn't reply anything, ma. Rajeshri, Ranjit, I didn't get any messages from you, Ranjit also. Edusan. Sridhar, Sakti Sri. You'll have to respond, dear children. If you all don't respond, I don't think you all are physically present here. Okay, dear children. I hope you all have completed it. It's okay. So thank you very much. So tomorrow the explanation will be given to you all. We will meet tomorrow. I mean, a day after tomorrow, right? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Prepare well for your cycle test also, dear children. The cycle test is around the corner. Prepare well. You have ample time. We have already revised the question answer forms, everything. So don't worry about it. Thank you all. Have a great day.